Before we get into the video, just wanted to announce that we have a 75% off flash sale on the Market Mastery program, where I provide my main day trading strategy for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio during New York session on GBP JPY. After 8+ years of trading, it's just a simplistic way of looking for the trade, executing on the trade, making money, moving on with the day. If the trade is not there, I don't take it. The entire breakdown of when to get in, where to set your stop loss, where to take profit, when to close partials, when to go to break even. You get everything that you need. I also have a bonus strategy in there for my scalpers. Other than that, let's get into the video. What is going on, traders? Trader Joe back again with a quick video. Today we're going to do a breakdown on how to use TradeLocker, just the essentials that you need before you get into the live markets and start trading. Or if you have any questions on just how to use the platform, I'm going to go over just the 5 most basic fundamental stuff you need to know. We're going to go over our chart tools, how to add your pairs, currencies, metals, whatever it is that you trade, indices, to your watch list, how to calculate risk by lot size, dollar amount, percentage, and ticks/pips, entering a trade and closing a trade, and most importantly, your stop loss and take profit, right? Because without setting a stop loss and take profit, what kind of trader are you? So let's go ahead and jump into it. So all your tools are on the left-hand side, right? You got your measuring stick to measure your pips, ticks, whatever it is that you want to do, just to get an idea of the market movement. You got your long position here, just like TradingView. It's literally the same thing as TradingView. I love it. This is the best platform I've ever seen in my life, to be honest. I'm so happy they made this. You know, after almost 9 years of trading, stuck on MT4 and MT5, all these other crappy platforms, man, this is awesome. So excited. I'm like a kid on Christmas when he gets that game he's always wanted to play on PlayStation or Xbox. I'm just loving it. With that being said, those are your tools on the left-hand side. Very basic tools, all the stuff from TradingView. You got your positions on the bottom. Now, if it's like this, just pull this tab up. Okay. Position. So these positions will show your live entries and your profit loss, your margin, and all that good stuff. Your pending orders will be like your buy stops and sell stops down here. Your closed positions will be the trades that you've taken. And the cool thing is this, especially if you're on a prop firm account. If you want to know when your daily loss is reset, because I know some of you probably want to know that, you just have to show it as today. Right now, you can show your trades at all time, this month, all that good stuff. But you want to show it to today so you know when your stop loss reset or your daily loss limit resets, so you can get back on the chart and start trading. That was a question one of you guys had about how to figure that out for prop firms. Well, keep it on today. If it shows 0 total P&L for the day, your stop loss or your daily loss limit has been reset. And it shows you when it's been updated as well. You can refresh it, boom, and it'll show right here. Your watch list. Now, your watch list is going to show probably like this. You won't see your watch list, and you'll have this little box here for your order box. And make sure you turn your one-click trading on, guys. Sorry, I'm kind of unorganized with this, but just little things that are coming up in my head as soon as I think about it. Settings, trading, turn this on, one-click trading. You want to have this on so you don't have to go through a few other steps before entering a trade. All right, that one-click trading allows you to just put a lot size, position size, and boom, get in the market immediately so you don't miss a move. All right, so now that we have that on, go ahead and pull this watch list tab out here. And now what you want to do is just whichever pair you want to add to your watch list, right-click it, and just add to favorites. Now to get to your favorites, click the star right here at the top right. And now you'll see I have a few other favorites in here. Okay, now to remove it, just right-click it, remove from favorites. And there's a little funny thing I'm going to tell you guys. When I searched for, let me show you what you would do. If you were to search your pair, like if I search CAD, then I want AUD, CAD. Okay, I'm going to add this to my favorites, and then I'm going to go click this, and I won't see all my other pairs that I've added. And it's literally because it's typed up here, which is, you know, maybe it's just me, but it was a very frustrating thing. I was like, I couldn't figure it out for a few minutes, and it kind of annoyed me. So just a tidbit. All right, you got all these options to look through. So again, that's how you add your watch list and go to your favorites. And to get all the other ones, just make sure you unclick this so you can look at everything else that's available. Down here is where your position entry is going to be. Now it's going to say market close, but click this arrow up so the whole box shows here. Now we're going to start with market order. Now market order is like instant execution. If you're familiar with trading, that means whatever position you put in here and you just press buy, boom, you're in the trade, right? It's not a buy limit or sell stop or buy stop. You're just in the trade. The only thing we have here is a lot size. Okay, we have a lot size of 7.75. So I'm going to go down to 5, and it shows us the margin and the percentage of that account that we have, the $10,000 account. Now, Your stop loss needs to be set so we can figure out a take profit. All right, just set your stop loss, click on stop loss right here. If you have a fixed amount of dollars that you want to risk, simply click this right here. Click risk. Click right here where it shows that dollar amount. I only want to lose $200 of this $10,000 account. I'm going to type in 200. Now, the cool thing is it automatically changes your lot size to the exact amount you need. And look, it's locked and I can't change it because we have this risk selected. So no matter where I put this stop loss, this is a game changer, I'm telling you, because none of these platforms did this before. I had to pay for a risk calculator for years, $15 a month, just to have something like this functionality, and it's in this platform. All you got to do is move your stop loss down wherever you put it. You're only going to lose $200. Maybe you're just a guy that wants to focus on losing a certain risk or a certain percentage. So right here, click in the percentage box, 1.5. I only want to lose 1.5%. Changes it to $150 loss. Money changes to 150. Changes your lot size. You can move this wherever you want. You're only going to lose 1.5%. Awesome, right? Now, again, if you just want to go back to a specific lot size and you want to go full margin, full port, max lot size, run it up. Psych, blow an account. More like blow an account. Unclick risk, and you can go back to your lot size, change it to whatever you want. It'll show you the loss that you'll take here. But let's just keep it on risk for now and go back to our 1.5% risk, okay? Our take profit, go ahead and click this take profit box. And this will be done so quickly once you get used to it. Your take profit, if you don't see it on the chart, scrunch the chart, sometimes it shows up super far away. And also, again, you could change your ticks, right? So this would be 16 pips. These are 168 ticks, but it's 16 pips for Forex terms. And if we were to do 100, it would be what? 10 pips. So 10 pip stop loss, still only losing 1.5%. So the ticks are just wherever you don't want price to go to. So if it was even 250 ticks, you're still only going to lose 1.5%. Pretty cool stuff. It's honestly amazing stuff. So with that being said, your take profit, you can set it wherever you want. It shows the exact dollar amount you're going to make, the percentage you're going to make. Look at this, the percentage you're going to lose. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So it's every trader's dream is to have a platform like this. Now that we have that set up, we can try our pending order. Now, when you enter the trade, you'll see price moving on the market position. So if price is moving up and down and you don't have this risk set up or clicked and you just have your lot size, you're going to see your loss moving up and down. Your stop loss amount or percentage will change due to the current price movement. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you don't want your stop loss or your percentage to change for whatever reason, make sure you have the risk selected. Okay, that way no matter what price is doing, if it comes down to here, you'll only lose $149 and you can execute the trade whenever you want, and no matter what, it'll only lose $149 here. It'll calculate your lot size. Let's go ahead and go over to the pending orders. Now the pending orders are pretty cool as well, because now you can play out a setup in your head. Like if I want price to come up to here before I hit a sell, well, I'll just come up here. This is my entry. All I got to do is set my entry wherever I want it to be first. All right. Set my stop loss. Let's switch to a sell position here as well. Switch to sell. It goes up to the top. I don't want price to come up above here. And I'm $106 risk is, not that great. So I can either, I want to lose about $200. So we can either increase the lot size right here slowly, or just go in the dollar sign box here and put $200. Beautiful, 2% risk. Okay, set a take profit, bring it down. Don't know why it goes up there. They know I'm in a sell position. Maybe that's something that they could fix. Right? Take profits down here. So when price comes up to here and hits this entry, if I just sell limit this, right, boom, click it. When price comes up to here, it'll trigger it. I'll only lose $200 when it comes up to here. I'll make almost $400 when it comes down to there. So now the cool thing is this. Again, I want it to be right on $400. My OCD is killing me. Boom, I'll type in $400 in the take profit. Okay, so I can't show you this because the market's not open right now. It's a Saturday. I'm just trying to get some content and videos out for you guys. But when you're in a live position, you're gonna see this exact line will show your current profit and loss real time. All you got to do to close that position is just hit the X. Boom, done, and it closes the position out for you. Okay. You can do that on your mobile as well. Now to close partials, a little bonus tip. To close partials, when you have a live trade, which will show up again at the bottom here, under positions, when you have a live trade, you can double click the trade that's showing live and it'll pop up with your position. And all you have to do is select the lot size or type in the lot size that you want to close for whatever amount you want to take. Or if you want to even cut your losses, you want to cut it in half, we'll do half the lot size and close 50% of the trade. That way you're only losing half the loss now. Or you've taken 50% off of the table, so you're not losing as much. Vice versa for a take profit. If you're in profit and you want to close 50% of the trade, just type in half the lot size and then close the trade. So that's very easy to do. But other than that, very quick and easy breakdown of just the basic that you need. That's all you need. All you need to know. And if you just want to get into a trade, you don't want to do all this extra stuff, right? You don't want to do all this stuff. Here, you don't got to do all that extra stuff. Swipe that over right here. You can drop this down and the same thing pops up. So if you want to do, let's just say, a market order and you want to get into the trade and you know what lot size you want. All right, let's just do a 3.5 lot position and I will just click buy. Now again, set your stop loss up, okay? Know how much you're gonna risk. Oh, that's way too much. I can't risk that much. I'm gonna do minus 200. Done. My take profit, I want it up here. I'm gonna click take profit. That's how much I want to make. And it says minus because we're in a sell position. Let me hit buy. Again, this goes back to here. So you want to do, let's just do 2%. It's probably quicker to do 2%. But quick and easy, man. So quick and easy. It changes as you move it. Again, why? We don't have a risk selected. So if that's something that's going to bother you, figure that out. Change it to 2%. Select risk. Everywhere I put it now, it's only going to lose $200. Okay? So in a trade situation where you want to go to break even, you know, if you're doing it professionally in the way that I do it and just my strategy is once you enter a position and price is moving up and you're in profit, right? You're 50% of the way to take profit. Close 50% of the trade and drag your stop loss to break even. Nice and easy, nice and simple. You don't have to type in the points that you want your stop loss to go to. It's so simple. All you do is drag this line up here, boom, and go straight to break even. Love it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Just a quick little tutorial video on how to use TradeLocker, just the basic stuff that you need to know. Stay blessed, stay safe. Happy trading.